This is a really good spot for finding all different types of small birds that you might need to collect for different quests. I usually will sit so that I can see the sign where they perch against a background that allows me to see when they fly in, and then just pick them off with the varmint rifle. I've gotten pretty much everything but cedar waxwings here. These are some of the birds that I've gotten here. Sometimes it might take them a little while to come in. You just have to be patient. If it's raining, you will not get birds. And of course, if it's nighttime, you will not get birds. They start at about 5 o'clock in the morning. And as I said, you do have to be patient. Sometimes they come one right after another, but sometimes it does take a little while for them to come and perch on the sign. And there's one. And the last one was a cardinal. And this one is a blue jay.